US30 already about to break 10 seconds prior, so this could be a quick drop off, not gonna lie. Then also could be a buy. Alright, market's opened. Just leave this for a second. Nasdaq wicked out, faked out. On the 5 minute here. No, I'm not feeling it. I want to be patient here, I don't want to rush. Both pairs are going down. I prefer a buy. I'd like to see a buy. I'd like to see a break of this trend here. But it may just not come. If I have to sit out and miss a trade, I'll miss it. We are in a bit of a down channel as well. US30 ended up W, bro. I missed it. So I missed that trade. Fumbled the bag. Next position will be down here now. But let's hella risky, innit? And that's that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have to take this Nas buy. Sell, sorry. Nasdaq short. I'm not the most confident in it, I'll be honest with you. Very tight stop as well. But risk it for a biscuit, I guess. This could just straight up reverse. There we are. Pushing. I'm going break even early on this trade. Just because I think it's very high risk at this point. I usually never go break even this early.
Order filled.
Alright. Glad I went break even. It could just be a straight break and retest. Fuck, man.
Order filled.
Right, I'm short YM. See if this can play out now. Maybe I should have just walked away. Come back tomorrow. But fuck, man. Come on, let that be the retest. Oh, the Nasdaq's playing out now as well. Come on, boys.
Order filled.
Fuck.
Order filled.
Right, I'm gonna get in on the reverse. The reversal on Nasdaq. Just like so. Right, I'm going break even now. See if we can take it to these highs potentially. Alright, we're at break even 1-to-1. See if we can also break out at these levels here. Yeah, that's it. Go down to the 1 minute. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Order filled.
You fucking joking, man.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm overtrading. Oh my god, what am I doing? Why did I do that?
Order filled.
You fucking idiot. Oh, idiot. Fucking idiot. Right, what I'm going to do for just to stop stupid shit like that. 2 trades a day. Fucking trade like dog shit today, don't I? So the play that I was trying to get on fucking Nasdaq on the buy is exactly what US30 is just dumb. Ah, bro, for fuck's sake, man.